that said there's an ice cream and candy bar that's been set up, so that will be very handy when we come back. I think that's going to be a well-deserved reward. Up that way to the north, one of the highest places on the A9. We're currently about 200 meters. We're going to be climbing to about just a fraction under 500 meters, doing a 90-degree left turn, and then going down Loch Garry towards Loch Rannock. We're going to camp there somewhere overnight, don't know where, with the idea that we might do a full loop, or we might just return the way we came. We've never been in this area before. We've always seen this going up the road, this valley off to the south, and well, we decided to try it, see what it's like.
You should never have to make excuses. Lately I've realized that what goes around comes back around. What goes around comes back
Reached the end of Loch Garry, and there's the end of Loch Garry there. We've come down a very nice double track, is to find the black track. Often very typical in Scotland, suddenly tracks just stop. The black track is in there somewhere. I can't even see a footpath, but apparently on the map it is straight ahead. Hunt the black track. Well, we found the black track. I think it's more like a brown track in that we have to cross all these mini little ditches, and it's brown because some 4x4 has been down here, little agricultural 4x4. So in some ways that's a good thing because we can actually see a track, but in another way it actually kind of churns up the ground. So there's mixed blessings really, and from what we can see we have a few more hundreds of meters of this. But so far so good. Well, we found the bothy, and when we came here this door was all open, which goes like that. Fireplace, a kettle with a hole in it, empty bottles, working LEDs. There's no wood, you'd be burning. And this must be the recreational area. all variously dated. We have some scribblings. Anyway. Since we haven't found a good place to pitch a tent yet, we did consider this as a place to stay, but decided to move on and take our chances. As we were descending the gravel path to Loch Rannock, I was beginning to see a ridgeline in the distance. That ridgeline was looking to be a good alternative than putting a tent up in long grass. Well, we've picked our campsite, and it's a bit of an unusual place. We couldn't find a flat bit of ground with water. If we could find something reasonably okay, we didn't really have a view. So we looked across the landscape and we saw this place. And it's pretty awesome. We still don't have any water, but I think the view counts up. That's Loch Rannock. That's where we've come from, that white road over there. When we put the tent up, the wind drops. So that's what we're counting on this time, because every time we've been camping, bikepacking, it's happened and then the midges come out. But I don't think somehow that's going to happen. So we're just getting ourselves packed in. We'll start cooking later and appreciate that view. Look at that view.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. Like you already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive. Tell me that you want me.
Curried tuna.
Curry tuna.
Never had it before, but it comes in a can.
Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark.
As you can see, we didn't quite get the sunrise that we expected, and we got it in slightly the wrong place. We were hoping to have it over Squamish, which is that mountain over there, which would have been quite impressive, or at least in between. It's a bit cooler this morning, a little bit cold, moving around trying to jig up a bit, but at least the wind's down, it's dry, that's another thing. This is probably one of the few occasions we don't have to dry the tent. And we got some coffee. All for a good start, and looks like it's going to be a good day. So we are going to do the full loop.
Thank you for watching. Off to get ice cream. Oh, maybe some chips instead.